In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen on Discord with sound. So this is actually very easy to do. And for example, if you have a voice channel or you just have a call with a friend, you can share your screen over here. So these are all the applications I have open right now. And I can also go to screens. So these are my 3 screens. But when I share screen it won't record the audio. So you can the other person can't hear the audio. To fix this problem, you have to do one small thing. You have to go to your settings and then go to the game activity over here. And then you have to select the application you're using. So you have to hit edit. And here I want to use Google Chrome. So I select Google Chrome. So for example, if I want to watch a YouTube video with sound and I want to share screen it with Discord, they can hear it as well if I add Chrome to this. Now you can go back, and when I hit share screen, I can select, for example, this. Then you can see that it's a streaming channel, and the other person will hear the sound. You can also change the resolution or the frame rate, and then when I go live, the audio goes live as well. This is very easy to do, and I hope I helped you out. Please leave a like if this video helped you out, and subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.